Welcome to the new series of my Gujarat episodes, where I am on an unforgettable 9-day motorcycle ride across the vibrant state of Gujarat, from a dream come ferry ride across the sea to the salt deserts and to the international borders, learning new lessons in life. How I learned the importance of food, meeting new people, visiting ancient temples, and to the world's tallest statue, covering a total distance of 4,000 kilometers solo. This journey is packed with stories and adventures. If you have slipped any of these stories, do watch it in the playlist tag on the screen now. This video is all about Rani Ki Vav, which is a famous step well located in Patan. As my previous episodes was about the Modhera Sun Temple, and I have requested and help from the guide to brief about the Rani Ki Vav in detail. Your support is the only chance of getting this video reaching into many more. As always, keep supporting and let's hit the road together one day. Morning. My hands was frozen, so I'm now taking a warm bus. I'm now taking a warm. ये लगा रहा हो, ठीक है? कितना है?
90 रुपये तो बस।
मतलब 90?
90। સોની બેસું તો ભરવાનું તમારે ભૂલ થાય ભરવાનું તમારે ભૂલ થાય
I took a warm-up for myself so that my hand doesn't get frozen or it doesn't get numb again. My next location is Patan. So from Modhera Sun Temple, it's 50 kilometers, 35 kilometers, and Patan is the place. All these are coming as episodes. So if you have not watched this episode or the previous episode, do watch it in the iCard that's coming now. It has all the अरे इसको पकड़ो यार, क्या यार तुम? Do watch as episodes in the iCard that is coming. This entire has the full Gujarat episodes in it. Do watch and keep supporting as always. Thanks. All that we go now is all World Heritage Sites preserved by Archaeological of India. There is again Rani Ki Vav. It's again an archaeological site itself. Day 6, we are in Rani Ki Vav. Oh, this is not okay. We are in Rani Ki Vav. We've paid 40 rupees for the entrance. And this is the history. We're checking out the price with the guide. What is the cost? Okay, he is a guide for us. So he said me that he will explain in English. So few archaeological monuments has to be understood better than which is written here. So this is my guide.
चलिए सर, पहले तो my name कमलेश चौहान। आई एम ए गुजरात टूरिज्म और टूर गाइड सर। रानी उदयमती की स्टेपल पर मैं आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ सर। सो वेलकम सर। गुजरात प्रेजेंट कैपिटल ऑफ द गांधीनगर सर। गुजरात प्रेजेंट कैपिटल गांधीनगर। देखना सर, तो सर ये गुजरात का फर्स्ट डायनेस्टी ऑफ द रूलर चावड़ा। सर ये गुजरात का फर्स्ट डायनेस्टी चावड़ा आया। अभी सर चावड़ा डायनेस्टी के फर्स्ट किंग दिस वाज नेम वनराज चावड़ा हुए। वनराज चावड़ा ने सर गुजरात का कैपिटल का नेम उनके एक करीबी फ्रेंड हुआ करता था जिनका नेम था अनहिल। तो अनहिल उनका नेम था और सेफर्ड उनका सरनेम था। ये चरहावा। तो वनराज सिंह चावड़ा ने सर गुजरात का कैपिटल का नेम 746 8th सेंचुरी में, कैपिटल का नेम 746 8th सेंचुरी,
वो नंबर 19
AD 746 8th century.
ओके 8th century.
The Gujarat old capital. This Vanraj Singh Chavda name, friend name Anhil, and Anhil memory of the Gujarat capital name, full name Anhil Ward Patan. So Gujarat first capital, this old name Anhil Ward Patan, second name only Patan. अब सर चावड़ा डायनेस्टी लास्ट किंग, दिस नेम सामंतसिंह राव चावड़ा. सामंतसिंह राव चावड़ा, दिस इज नॉर्थ चिल्ड्रन, एंड सामंतसिंह सिस्टर साउथ. Cholukya dynasty of the marriage, and Samansi sister children, Patan capital and adopts this name Murarasi Solanki. The Patan capital second dynasty of the ruler Solanki. The Solanki dynasty first Murarasi Solanki, second Chamudaraj, third Nagaraj. Nagaraj children first Bhimdev Solanki. Bhimdev first. Bhimdev Solanki 35 kilometers Sun Temple Modera.
I went there.
AD 1026, an old temple, lotus and build. Lotus. Bhimdev Solanki, Solanki period, the golden period of the king. Bhimdev Solanki wife Rani Udaymati. This step will name Rani ka Wow. Wow meaning step well.
Step well.
Wow meaning step well.
Well.
The Bhimdev Solanki memory, AD 1022, AD 1063, east and west, water harvesting, only rainwater. This storage. This Patan capital peoples and drinking water, only drinking water use. This stepwell Bhimdev Solanki memory, first lady and king memory of stepwell. This stepwell name Rani ka Wow. Wow meaning stepwell.
Step.
1 kilometer Saraswati river, sir. Underground. Saraswati river 13th century, and Saraswati river in a heavy flood. And all stepwell undertaking and date. Flood and covered. And Indian independence by Archaeological Survey of India. 1958. This is first research, only well open. And 1958, 1992, all stepwell 32 years excavate. 32 years excavation. And 1992 and all stepwell open. The 1902 and 1958, right and left, and all step new restore.
This one.
Yes, right and left, and all step.
Okay.
Okay. This step will serve archaeological survey and all research. Step will research. This step will horizontal, first, second, third, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Horizontal, 4 floors. This vertical down 7. This step will name 7-story step will. The Vishnu Gallery, Dasa Gallery, Lakshmi Avatar, Parvati Avatar, all lady hairstyle, makeup style, Shola Singar, Vish Kanya and Nag Kanya. And window Anand Padmanath, Vishnu Lord sleeping. Heaven, earth and underground. The 2014 UNESCO site and declared World Heritage Site. And Indian currency 100 rupee. This Rani ka Wow and picture.
Oh.
This is first floor. 1000 years old culture. Okay. This is first floor, sir. Saraswati river and heavy and flood. Sir, this is first floor and second same floor. Pillar and flooring covered. This first floor, Saraswati river and flood damage. All floor damage.
Okay.
Second, horizontal level, second. Total 3 floor, sir. Total 3 floor. 1, 2, 3, 2 floor damage.
Okay.
This horizontal third. Total 5 floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 floor damaged. This vertical first floor damage. This is vertical first. This horizontal first. And all step will equal level, same level. This is same level. This step will horizontal 4. This vertical same. Shiva and Parvati.
Yeah.
Symbol and Nandi. 2 statues. Sir, left side. Shiva and Parvati's children, Kartikeya.
Yes.
This symbol peacock.
Okay.
Left side, right side, Lakshmi Narayan. Lotus. Lotus. So all pillars interlocking. All pillar. The 1000 old cultures. The all pillar interlocking. Earth only vibration, no damage. Locking pillar. So inside wood locking. This is wood locking. This wood name Shisham. Wood name Shisham. This water and wood aspen.
Right.
Wood locking.
Wood locking.
Yeah. Wood lock.
This is wood. So there is 7 floors, no? 7 floors.
7. Vertical 7.
Oh, vertically 7.
This is fire god. Fire.
Okay.
The fire symbol sheep.
Ship.
Sheep. Fire. Shiva. Trishul. Nandi.
Nandi.
This right side Hanuman. Hanuman and Sunny bad luck. Sunny bad luck.
Okay.
This Sade Sati. 7 years.
Uh-huh.
And this control Hanuman inside. Control Sade Sati. And second floor Vishnu Lord exactly window.
Which?
Anand Padmanath sleeping.
Where?
Sleeping Anand Padmanath. Heaven.
Okay.
Exactly window.
Oh, there last.
This second floor horizontal, second floor this first Vishnu Lord heaven, fifth gallery earth, and last third floor underground. Heaven, earth and underground. Okay.
From here.
Yes.
Okay.
So this Patola and Patan. Patan city and Patan district, Patola sari and Patan. Right and left. Patola, Patan, sari Patan. Inside.
This side, no?
First
Okay.
Vishnu.
Lord Vishnu.
So this is fifth gallery.
Fifth gallery.
Fifth gallery.
Fifth gallery.
And all Vishnu 10 avatar. 10. Vishnu 10 avatar. Vishnu Lord, Gada, flower. Chakra, the Sank. First Vishnu.
First Vishnu.
Vishnu Lord, brother, Balram. Snake, Hull, Bees. Balram. This statue name Chandalika. This 1000 old. This is Hawaii Chappal. Hills. Parshuram. Scale. Parshuram. Mahatma and Apsara.
An avatar of Vishnu.
Mahatma and Apsara. Akarshik.
Okay. Vision.
Yes. 9 Buddha. Vishnu Lord Avatar. Gautam Buddha.
Buddha.
The old time in lipstick. Flower lipstick. Lipstick. Okay. Makeup style. Kalki. Next generation.
Got it.
Kalki. Talwar, Chhat, the Amrut, Apsara, and this 1000 old Gambut inside.
Okay.
Apsara and monkey. Next Mahishasuri Mardani. Navdurga.
Yes.
Apsara and eyeliner.
Okay.
Third Apsara and earring.
Hearing.
Earring.
Okay.
This Mahatma Tapasya Rishi. middle Vishnu, Miyuk and Apsara. Miyuk. And top Parvati Mata. Inside. That statue, hairstyle, middle hairstyle.
This one?
Middle hairstyle.
Okay.
Next, Mahishasuri Mandini,
Mardini.
Chandi Chamunda.
Okay.
This is Matru frame, mother and baby,
Okay.
and Parvati Mataji.
Okay.
And all lady hairstyle and makeup style different panel. All panel different makeup style.
Okay.
Left side, scale and measure tape. This statue name Vishwakarma.
Okay.
And last corner, Shiva, Trishul, snake.
Okay.
Inside, Anand Padmanabh. Earth.
Earth. Okay.
Second floor, heaven.
Heaven.
Fifth gallery,
Earth.
earth. This statue name, sir, snake. Snake. This statue name Nagakanya. Middle, Vishnu Lord. And corner, Mahatma.
Okay.
Corner last, Vishnu. And this black statue, this scorpion inside.
Okay.
Scorpion, this statue name Vishakanya.
Vishwakanya.
This statue name Mahakaleshwar. Shiva Lord Avatar.
Yes.
Mahakaleshwar. This sir, dog. Blood and dog.
Okay.
And left side and Pichar, meat.
Meat.
Mahakaleshwar, this man ka. And Vishwamitra.
Vishwamitra.
This statue name Vishakanya.
Vishwakanya.
Vishakanya, old time, king and attic. Vishakanya, 4 visions, sir. First, 3 wall. 3 wall.
Yeah. Owl.
3 wall. Peacock. Hand and piece. Snake. And all statue naked.
Okay.
First vision. 3 wall. Night and attic.
Night,
Night attic. All जितनी चकोर रहती है सर. चकोर.
Okay.
नाइट में शिकार करती है.
Okay.
Peacock, very beautiful.
Yes.
Fish, very small.
Okay.
Snake, very poison.
Poison.
This old time, this statue name Vishakanya. This second generation statue name Honey Tail.
Honey time.
Yes. Vara. Vishnu Lord Vara Avatar. Sir.
No.
Vara. Very jewelry beautiful. Apsara. Jewelry. This statue name Nagakanya. Snake.
Yes.
The Vishnu Lord Vaman. Buddha inside. And Apsara and Mahatma. Sri Ram. Dhanushya, this symbol.
Lord Sri Ram.
Indra. Vajra to this elephant.
Okay.
This elephant name White Airavat. Okay?
Yeah.
Inside.
Heaven.
देखिए Earth. Sir, this is horizontal for first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. Horizontal. Vertical. First floor, the image vertical first.
Yeah.
Second, third, fourth, fifth,
5.
6, and underground 7.
But it's not open, no?
No open. Inside, underground. Open, underground. Okay. Sir, 1, 2, 3, third floor, left side. 3 statue. First, Brahma.
Third line, mein?
Third, Brahma.
In that, okay.
Brahma.
Okay.
Brahma wife, Brahman.
Okay.
Second, Shiva and Parvati. This symbol, Nandi. Third, Lakshmi Narayan. This symbol, Garuda. Inside. Right. Next one.
Okay.
Generate power and destroy.
Okay.
This is Sola Singha.
Okay.
First stage. Second, Apsara and Sang Shugun. Third, mother and baby, Matru Prem. Okay? Inside. This fifth gallery, Vishnu Lord, earth. And last, underground. Heaven, earth and underground.
Okay.
Three statue, same Anand Padmanath, only sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Sir, this is small panel, small statue. 32 Pratima right and 32 Pratima left side statue. Total 64 Yogini room.
Yogini.
Exactly this panel. 12 Vishnu Lord, 12 statue right and 12 statue left side.
Okay.
All statues are same. And all statue Gada, Padma, Chakra and Sang. Different. Change. Position and change. Okay? Position, change. Three. 1, 2, 3. Three statue. Apsara and bird. This bird name Chatak. Chatak only rainwater. Only springing water. This Apsara and Hussing. This in case and water inside. Sir, this middle Singar. Okay? Singar. Inside. Sir. Mahabharat history. Bhim and Kichak and this fight and Kichak and death. First Kichak. Okay, sir. Thank you. Kichak, lion face, Toran, Kalash, ring, stand. Stand, ring, Kalash, Toran, lion face, Kichak. All pillar interlocking. This Hindu religion symbol, Kalash pillar. 64 meter total step long, 20 meter wide and 20 meter last well depth. Earth यहाँ से earth underground 1986 and water 13th century flood and only well open 1958 Indian independence by east west well Dasa gallery last well vertical and last well sir no entry yes sir inside in the border cover 7th floor exhibit archaeological survey of India November and festival, water festival, and January first lighting, opening, everyday lighting, sir. Everyday night, sir.
This is everyday nighting?
Yes. January start. Next.
January.
Next.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot. So I'll take some pictures and leave for the day. Thanks a lot. So guys, this is the entrance and this was a excavated area as the guide said. Our guide has explained. So there are a lot of people down there. I thought of even taking a video. Nobody is allowing us to take a photo or video. So this is the excavated site. See that there. So this is the front of the excavated site. That's a big lawn of park there. So we are right now exiting out of this place, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, take care of yourself and peace. Keep supporting.